mtb.ca is your online source for over 300 tried and true recipes, full episodes on demand, and exclusive behind-the-scenes content, including features on Manitoba's farm families. Subscribe today.
Welcome back to Great Taste of Manitoba tonight. Manitoba chicken and Thai chicken coconut curry. We want to get into this because we've already got our oil kind of like it's really doing things here. But wanted to start by talking about we're celebrating chicken. We're also kind of celebrating our producer families as well. And of course, chicken something you can get is produced all year round here in Manitoba.
Yeah, we're very lucky that we have access to local chicken year round. All chickens are grain-fed. They're never raised in cages, so they're all free-run. They're raised in beautiful modern barns. And if you want a sneak peek behind the scenes into how chickens are raised, there is a beautiful video on the Great Taste of Manitoba website that you can see that takes you into a day in the life of one of our producer families. And I would really encourage everyone to visit the site for that video.
Yeah, it's cool. We're doing a lot of extra stuff this year just because we're celebrating. It's our 30th season.
It is.
Thank you so much, by the way. Okay, let's cook because we were soaking here. So
we are. We're making this delicious Thai chicken coconut curry soup. So we start out with a little bit of canola oil in a pot and one shallot. There we go. I'll get you to stir for me. Thank you.
Go.
A couple tablespoons of fresh chopped ginger. Oh, the flavors in this soup, like you said, Des, are just delicious.
Yeah, because I do make a version of this at home, and it's wonderful. I just wanted to also mention that there's something that I learned so much doing the show, and is it mise en place?
Yes, when you set out all your ingredients, mise en place, and everything set up so it all comes together nicely.
Is it everything in its place? And it's like this is like the ultimate mise en place. You just have everything ready to go here. I love that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we cook this for about a minute. And then we're going to add something that adds a ton of flavor. And it's a Penang Thai red curry paste that, again, you can get in the international section of the grocery store at an Asian grocery store. We've got a couple tablespoons of lemongrass here, chopped lemongrass.
Okay.
You can buy the whole stalk. You use the white part, or again, you can buy it frozen.
And you know what? Actually, I've used a couple of times in my recipes. You can actually get a paste as well. I don't. It's probably definitely not as good as the French stuff, right? But it does the trick.
It definitely works.
Yes.
We've got a couple cloves of garlic.
Okay.
So we just stir that a little bit. We don't want the garlic to burn.
I'm stirring awkwardly here with my left hand, but it just seemed to make more sense because actually the handle's
a little hot.
warm.
Yeah. Just gonna give you a little bit of heat there.
Okay,
now we're getting there. Awesome.
Okay.
And
now, we have to switch over to the whisk. Is that right?
Yeah, that'll really, really help break up that Penang red curry paste.
Here we go.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Awesome. So we're gonna stir in 4 cups of chicken stock.
Okay.
A couple tablespoons of brown sugar. So we've got those beautiful contrasting flavors in this soup.
A little bit of sweet in there.
Yeah, we've got 4 tablespoons of fish sauce.
Yeah, fish sauce is one of those things. It was like when I first saw it in a recipe, I thought, well, maybe I can get away without it. But you know, it adds such a particular flavor.
That real Thai flavor. Yeah, another ingredient that adds that unique Thai flavor are the kaffir lime leaves. And you can buy these frozen.
Okay, there's nothing more complicated than that.
Yeah. Smells so good.
I know.
Or you can use lime zest. So there's 6 leaves and we add that in. Next, I'm gonna add in 1 pound of thinly sliced, skinless, boneless chicken breast.
Okay.
Yeah.
And again, I guess probably the kind of chicken that you use somewhat interchangeable, or is it just better with the breast?
It works really nicely with the breast. Okay. You can just add that right in there. I just slice it nice and thin. This soup comes together beautifully. Once it's simmering, it's only about 8 minutes, and the chicken's fully cooked. And
here we go.
You know what this is?
Here we go.
This is 2 cans of coconut milk.
Yeah, and I mean, this is really like in terms of, well, obviously the flavor, right? But the texture. That's just what really just takes it up to that next level.
It is one of my favorite things. And then we added all kinds of beautiful veggies to this soup. We've got 2 cups of baby bok choy.
Right. And what is that? I was looking at that earlier.
These are shiitake mushrooms.
Okay.
So 12 shiitake mushrooms. You just remove the stem and in they go.
Oh my gosh.
Another beautiful Asian flavor. We've got half a cup of julienne carrots, 12 cherry tomatoes. Oh, sorry, Des.
And you know, I just want to mention, of course, we're talking about everything being produced locally. We've got Peak of the Market carrots in here this time around. We cook with a lot of Peak of the Market vegetables. And then we've got some snow peas.
Yeah, we've got a cup of our beautiful snow peas. So not only is this soup delicious, but it's healthy too.
No kidding.
And once that comes, so you cook it with the chicken for about 8 minutes. We're speeding things up here a little bit.
Yeah.
You add your veggies and you simmer for about 3 minutes. The last ingredient that goes in at the end that gives that, really nice nice contrasting flavor, is the juice of 1 lime.
Right.
And just stir that in.
And it just brightens the whole thing up. But that kind of goes in at the very end.
At the very end.
Very,
as soon as it's finished cooking, it goes in at the end. You can ladle the soup into bowls and then top it with some lovely fresh cilantro and chopped peanuts. And this is really a meal in a bowl.
Gina, look at the lovely thing that we made. It's just beautiful.
It is beautiful, and it tastes phenomenal, and it smells so good too.
It does. This is so working for me. Okay, so there you go. Our Thai chicken coconut curry. I guess we'll see what Erin decided to do with all of these amazing flavors from around the world here. Manitoba chicken, local chicken, global flavor here tonight on Great Taste of Manitoba. Don't go away.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.